Cleaning your Danby Portable Air Conditioner's filter is crucial for three main reasons: maintaining efficiency, preventing health hazards, and extending your unit's lifespan. A dirty filter forces your air conditioner to work much harder, significantly increasing your energy consumption and electricity costs. Look at how much dust and debris can accumulate on these filters. The filter acts as a barrier, trapping dust, pollen, and other pollutants before they can circulate through your home. When clogged, it can't perform this vital function effectively. For optimal performance, clean your filter every 2 to 4 weeks. However, if you use your air conditioner frequently, live in a dusty environment, or have pets, you should clean it more often. Remember, regular filter maintenance is a simple task that saves money, protects your health, and keeps your air conditioner running efficiently for years to come. First, always turn off and unplug your Danby air conditioner before beginning any maintenance. This ensures your safety during the cleaning process. Danby portable air conditioners can have up to 3 filters located on the side and back of the unit. Check your manual to find the exact locations for your specific model. To remove the filter, grasp the filter tab and slide it out. Some models require you to pull back and lift. Look for tabs that slide behind to release the filter. Start by using a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to remove large debris and dust from the filter. This is the first and most important cleaning step. For heavily soiled filters, wash them in warm soapy water below 104 degrees Fahrenheit using mild detergent. Rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap residue. This step is crucial. Ensure the filter is completely dry before reinstalling. Shake off excess water and place on a clean towel to air dry. Never install a wet filter. Guide the clean, dry filter back into its slot, ensuring any tabs are correctly aligned and the filter clicks into place. Then, wipe down the unit's exterior and plastic grills with a damp cloth. Finally, once a year, clean the condenser coils on the back of the unit using a vacuum cleaner with soft brush attachment or a specialized coil cleaner. This maintains optimal cooling efficiency. Your Danby air conditioner filter is now clean and properly maintained. Regular cleaning every 2 to 4 weeks will keep your unit running efficiently and improve your indoor air quality.